Lady B here. Today is day 9 of the Vlogmas videos for December, and I really almost forgot to do it. But anyhow, what you're looking at is drawers that I had. Oops, my big old fat hand in the way. These are actually drawers that I have for my little storage unit that's on wheels. It's where I keep my sewing supplies. But I emptied them all out, and I thought this would make a really good display. So this is what I've got so far. It may not be what stays here, but this is just what I figured out for right now. But things will probably change. I have to change some things out, figure out what I'm going to take, what I'm going to leave. There's still more stuff in the van, believe it or not. But I figured this would be the best way to figure out what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it and whatever. But I also want to make some displays to put on the end of the table. I'm going to take some pegboard and make an L-shaped rack with hinges so I can put them on the ends of the table. That way I can display what needs to be hung, like the earbud pouches and the sun catchers, because I have no way to display either right now. I could lay the earbud pouches on the table or put them in one of these little drawers. But my sun catchers actually have to be hung up. So I thought I would take the pegboard I've already got. And I might have some hinges somewhere. I'll have to look around and see what I find. But I want to make 2 of them to go on the end of the table. So I'll paint them and maybe dress them up a little bit for Christmas. Maybe put some lights on it. But anyhow, I'm sorry about it being about the craft show once again. But I had to do it about something because I almost forgot. So we'll talk to y'all later. Y'all take care, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.